Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your notifications on the Shein application. Keep watching the video till the end to turn off your notifications on Shein. Firstly, search for the Shein application on your app list. Long press on the Shein application shown on the page. Once you do so, you'll receive three options: App Information, Uninstall, and Share. Now, tap on the App Information option. Click on Manage Notifications, and on the next page, slide the slider off Allow Notification to the left side to turn it off. This is how you can turn off notifications on the Shein application quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.